Morning, guys. It is August the 24th. We're going to go to Dahlonega. We're going to meet Ray and going to the Smith house. Rolling out for another lovely adventure. Overnighter. Look at them mountains. Oh, how glorious. We're up in the North Georgia. Absolutely wonderful. Curvy road. Okay, I don't think we're lighting much being in Dahlonega. We had some very nice sweeping curves that I did not record. Dahlonega, 5 miles. Okay, we got SChestnutMtnTinman. Gregory rides, his wife, Blueback and Dog, and her 3 wheels.
Yes, I will. I will.
Great day for a ride. Dahlonega. They are busy. Little tourism. Okay. Love her sweeping curves. These are nice sweeping curves. My ears is a poppin'. Yeah, this road is awesome. This is the one that Tbone was talking about. Blood Mountain. Awesome. Alright, got Gregory rides. Be back in the door. And we're cranking up. Ready to leave. Bug, Chestnut Tin Man, and Tbone. Okay, we're off. Got Tbone, Gregory rides, Bug, Blue Bike and Doll, her 3 wheels, and behind me, Chestnut Tin Man. Forgot one other person. Regina, Tbone's other half. Look at that view. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we are going Richard Russell Parkway. Excuse me. Look at that view. I mean, loving it. To ride. These curves are awesome. Gonna do an overlook. Okay, we stopped, took a little break. Now we're getting back in the wind. Nice shade. a blast. Oh boy. We got a tractor trailer in front of us with vehicles on it. It's gonna be fun getting around. Alright, Ray, Katie, and Chestnut Tin Man are headed home. We're headed to Elegy. Been right, and of course we split off. We got Rolling with Tbone and Regina, and Blue Bike and Doll, and her 3 wheels. We have had an absolutely wonderful day. Okay, I might not have been talking a lot about my blue monkey that I've got on my bike. Got the blue monkey when we went to Tazewell to Walker Mountain, or no, was one of the Amish stores where the tower's at. But anyhow, still got my blue monkey. Love my blue monkey. Okay, we have had an absolutely wonderful day with Gregory rides, Katie Lou, Chestnut Tin Man, and Rolling with Tbone, and Miss Regina, Blue Bike and Doll, and her 3 wheels. We've had just an absolutely wonderful day. Had a good time. Good ride. I mean, every bit of it was awesome. We've had an absolutely wonderful day. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's free.